Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new in our channel, so please subscribe and press the bell icon for the notification of my every new video guys. And also like and share the video for your friends, and we will waiting for your valuable comments guys. So guys, today we cook the dal gosh. It means lentil with the chicken. So guys, let's see how to make the dal gosh. It's a special dish and it's a signature dish of Mumbai. You can find it every restaurant at Mumbai guys. So friends, see, first we need to chop garlic and ginger. So guys, don't escape the video, watch full. Then you can learn how to cook the dal gosh in Indian style also. So here we make it fine chop. So use knife also carefully guys. Now so this is the our ingredients. This is garlic, ginger, this is chicken, this is onion, and this is potato guys. So now we add the oil on pot. See, as needed guys. Then put seasoning guys. For the seasoning list you can check my description of this video, and add the garlic, ginger, and make it brown guys. See, so after it become brown, we need to put the onion. So we are still waiting for become it brown. So now we add the onion, also mix it and waiting for it to become brown. So we put the salt also here. And mix it well. Now we make the lentil also boiled. So we put the lentil on other pot. Add the seasoning guys. This is chilli as needed guys. Put the curry powder also as needed guys. So it's up to you which taste you like. You can put seasoning as you like. It's a homemade and this is guys. So here we mix seasoning with that all, and add the potato guys. This is potato we add here and mix it very well. So once it's mixed well, so we add the chicken and also mix chicken
well with this all. So now we need to put the lentil here, guys. So guys, you are watching this video with Mr. Ajay and the food maker Mr. Firdaus. He is a master chef, guys. So now we add the water here and leave it for cook. No, he is still waiting for cook that all. And now he put the water and mix it. It looks very nice, guys. I think taste also amazing. So now we leave it for cooking, and now see, guys,